Wood, it has its character, but demands protection that enhances rather than hides its beauty. When the goal is lasting protection without compromising on appearance, there's a reliable choice. Cascara Water-Based Quick Dry Enamel. A trusted solution for interior and exterior use on wood, Cascara delivers a high-gloss, low-odor, and non-yellowing finish. It's simple to use. Begin with proper surface preparation. Clean thoroughly. Sand any rough areas and remove dust, oil, or old coatings. Apply 2 coats of a water-based primer appropriate for the surface. This improves adhesion and helps the enamel perform at its best. Once the primer is dry, apply 2 coats of Sinclair Cascara WBQDE. Use a brush, roller, or spray for smooth, even coverage. Fast drying, easy to work with, and made to last. Cascara is the smart finish for demanding surfaces. Cascara Water-Based Quick Dry Enamel. Available at all Sinclair Pro stores nationwide.